What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Duramax Diesel channel. Today we got another little special thing. I don't know how it's gonna go, but you can see we got a trailer. We got Austin LBZ here, and yeah, we're going to pick up the drag truck chassis and bring it home. So it's been a long time coming, but we're gonna get in the truck and head down there and hopefully get it all loaded up.
Let's put a register.
We have made it to the parts truck, drag truck, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, now we gotta figure it out. I know you guys probably haven't seen this in a while, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do about getting this bad mamma jamma onto the trailer. We gotta do some figuring first, move some stuff around, get it off the jack stands, probably snug these lugs up a little bit, but other than that, yeah, all in a day's work. Should be fine. I don't think it has brakes though. Oh, it might have front brakes actually.
I don't think with that giant fucking shock, I wouldn't even worry about it.
They're still on. We're just gonna have to pinch out the back. Sweet. We'll catch up in a minute.
Yeah. Yeah, I put one on the opposite side. Should good. Close then.
Oh yeah, man.
Good, there's not much to it.
No, yeah, look.
There's no motor in it.
Yeah. Because that just going on the tail and kind of dead. Want to give me the impact out of the driver's seat? What a terrible day. Start. Grab that, flip this, and that's it. Hold on. You good?
It's on the trailer. A little more wet than I'd like to be, but it's on the trailer.
Holy shit.
Alright guys, so as you know, I talked to you before about doing a drag truck build, and this is it. We're finally picking it up and bringing it back to the house. It's not priority. Obviously, the SEMA build on the big truck is going to be priority, but this is coming soon. I think it's on there securely. We might need to tighten some things up, but yeah. So in the future, when we don't really have anything to do, we'll probably get started on this, tearing it apart, pulling it more content coming soon on this. I don't know when. It's not a priority, but we'll get it. We'll get it soon. So we're gonna go home and unload it. Well, we made it home. It actually did really good on the highway, but getting it back here is a little tight, but we're gonna get it offloaded, which should be also pretty adventurous. So we'll get there and see what happens. Last words?
Onto it. And once you get the first one on, you good?
Just gonna send it.
You ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. You want the mirror so you can see? You need an adjustment?
Yeah, push it in. Perfect. I don't got a mirror on this side, so.
You don't need this side. We'll watch that side. Watch your camping. Like this.
Not like this.
No, you're like this. Don't argue with me. I'm looking at the truck.
Look at that wheel.
That wheel don't matter.
Yeah.
Right.
Your stance out right now, bud. Like.
Ready?
Yeah.
Might want to close that door. I don't know if it'll catch you.
Oh, we're good, right?
Yeah, you're good.
You're stuck on a little lip.
Close the door! Just took out the fence. Here's your foot, Fred!
Help! Oh, don't break the door.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, it's probably a good resting home.
Oh, now Coyote's gonna jump off the bed.
Well, we did it. That was exhilarating. I didn't even look at the camper or anything. I just
The driver's wheel barely was on when you came off the front.
Yeah.
It was kind of like a stiff suspension.
Well, that's gonna do it for today, guys. We got the truck offloaded, everything. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe, and we'll have more content later. I'm out.